Good morning and welcome to my home. I'd like to just do a quick walkthrough for you of some of the Christmas just acts of kindness that I've made. I've owed some people a random act of kindness for almost a year, so now's the time that we got it done. So we'll start with this one. So this is made from a file folder, and it's the Book Vagabonds tutorial. Pardon me, some frogs in my throat. And it's made of all recycled, not all of it, but this is a Christmas card, lace, and you open it up and it has a tag here. This is a magazine, cut out of a magazine. And then there is just a book in the middle for whoever receives this, and I've included a Tim's card to make some notes. Just different pages in here. Scrapbook papers, music paper, and tuck receipts in there. Little pocket in the back. And then the back of the card. This was from a magazine. Another magazine. These are little stickers that are very vintage. A Christmas postcard. And the back. The next one is very similar. Again, this is a Christmas card that I've repurposed. The inside of the folders are file folder, and again, the Book Vagabond, I would direct you to her site. And then another notebook. With similar papers in them. Another postcard. And the last one I finished yesterday. And I've seen this done numerous times on YouTube, so I will have to link the woman whose video I watched below. I cannot remember her name right now, and I apologize for that. So this is Artymaze purple paper with some collaging. And the YouTube video had us gluing the sides, but I wanted some thickness, so I added an accordion fold. And then it is a notebook or a list book. This person takes lots of lists, and what I've done is I've taken the ephemera. This is, I don't know, I can't remember whose this is from, but most of this is Artymaze ephemera, and I've loaded the front pocket and the back pocket with lots of tags that she can take lists on, or the inside folder has, again, lots and lots of the ephemera. I believe this is a freebie on Pinterest, and if I'm wrong and it's yours, please, it is a freebie. Please leave me a comment and I'll give you credit for it. And this is Artymaze. I quite love this kit. And then it's just a quick notebook. So there's, I think there's 24 pages in there. The lined paper that Artymaze does. Collage page. 2 little tags in the center. More ephemera. The individual who's getting this likes to make lists, and so given her lots of opportunity to create the lists. So I hope that you are having, you had a good Thanksgiving if you're from the United States, and that you are preparing for the holiday season. Again, this is Marjorie Snyder. I'm Grandma Snyder on Instagram, and I hope you enjoyed this video.